So this is going to be another short video. Not big on posting up car meets and stuff too much anymore because, you know, it's not scenic. But I got, finally, HKS twin power. Very excited. I've been looking at videos trying to figure out how to install this thing. Everyone says how easy it is, and they're saying, you know, you got to remove the upper elbow there, that intercooler elbow, and some say remove the throttle body. And obviously that's all on left-hand drive cars, because right-hand drive, it's way easier. There's so much room. But I could not find it. So basically, you have this bad boy, and then you buy the harness for the rotary, which is right here. So this plugs into that, and you have a ground. And then this side you just put in between. So you unplug the connector and put this in between. I could not find that factory connector. Everyone says right where it should be and stuff. But all the pictures are gone because it's all old school now. So I finally found it. And I'll show you where it's at. And this is of course on a right-hand drive car. So you got your elbow. There you got your oil filter, right? Oh, come back. You get some light down there. Can we see? Yeah, I think so. So, oil filter right here. And then, another thing I was going by to look. Move this away. But you got your, maybe this would be better. Here's your dipstick. Oil filter's over here to the right. This is the wire. This is the plug. It's laying down. Just look for a wire that's right next to your dipstick. That's what I did. I was watching the videos, trying to figure it out, and I was like, alright, there's a wire right by the dipstick. And I was like, in between the filter and the dipstick. And there it was. It was hiding underneath. I pulled it up. I was like, bam! Perfect. I haven't connected it yet, but I should just have to unplug this. And that's open. Put this side in line, route the wires up to mount the module. I think I'm going to put the twin power like right here, because it looks like it's a good spot for it. Should be low enough to where the hood doesn't hit, and I think it'll look nice. Yeah, probably put it over here with all these other guys. That might look nice too. Hood will shut. Be close. I'll see, but that's what this video is about. This video is about. So once again, right-hand drive. Go down. Power steering. Look down here. Dipstick. Look for the wire right next to the dipstick. Some of them are going to be bolted down. Some aren't. Just pull it up, and that is it. Piece of cake. And then what you want to do is after you hook it up, you want to, don't turn on the car, just turn the ignition and make sure that this light turns on. Make sure you got power. I'll be back when I get there. I don't know if you can hear me. Red light is on. Turn off my car, make sure you can hear me. Goodbye. Okay. My Bluetooth was on, so on my radio, so I wasn't sure if you would hear me or not. But it's all hooked up. I just have it sitting here. It literally just sitting here, but it ain't gonna move anywhere. Along with the ballast for the lights and everything. I was gonna put it up here, but the other one doesn't have anything, and you know, kind of like it. We all the control modules all together. Looks kind of nice. I don't know, I can always move it, but I went the wires. I went underneath, grounded it under here, went right there, down over and wide in. So there's plug 1, and can't quite see plug 2 anymore. But so there you go. First mod that's way easier on a right-hand drive than a left-hand drive, because If it was on this side, you would have the brake booster in the way, and the clutch and slave, or the clutch reservoir, the brake reservoir. All that would be on the way. But nope, it's all wide open. It's kind of late, but man, do I really want to start and see if it runs. I'm sure it does, but it'd be nice to know that it's running. I'll start tomorrow. But there you have it. It's pretty easy to install. Just put it right in, lit up. And now I'll leave you with a few clips I have from the weekend. Not much, but keep it fresh.
More than you can afford.
Not big into recording car shows anymore because it's kind of boring. But what is this?
He should have known how to do this because she asked me, she goes, well, is he new? I said, no, he's been at this branch for over 2 years.
LS? No idea what that is.
Tell me the deal on the